You ever watch a commercial and feel something? A real emotional pull for a product as simple as, say, a chocolate bar? Well, that's no accident. It's actually a very specific strategy. Today, we're going to do a quick deep dive, a microanalysis of one short, powerful ad to break down exactly how brands sell you a feeling, not just a product. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, the best ads. They almost never start by showing you the shiny product. Nope, they start with a problem. They create a moment of stress that feels instantly, uncomfortably familiar. They basically build this little world of tension that you, the viewer, can't help but recognize. And this ad just throws us right into the deep end. That one line is just packed with pressure. You can literally feel Omar's heart sink into his stomach. It's that universal fear of bad grades mixed with intense parental expectations, all wrapped up in one urgent demand. There's no warning, no buildup. We are just, bam, right in the middle of a high-stakes moment. So just think about it for a second. What does that line make you feel? A little anxiety, right? Pressure? Maybe that uncomfortable tightening in your chest? It's so efficient. In just a few seconds, the ad has created this shared feeling of stress with everyone watching. And they haven't even shown us the product yet. That, right there, is the hook. So the stage is set. We're all feeling a little bit of Omar's anxiety. And now the ad makes a pivot. It shifts from the problem to the solution. And it introduces its product not as just some snack, but as a kind of emotional rescue mission. And there it is. Out of nowhere, the Cadbury Chocolate Delight appears. Its entry isn't random. It's timed absolutely perfectly to interrupt that peak moment of stress. It's like the hero arriving on cue to save the day. Now, pay close attention to the language here. The ad says the chocolate covers this moment. Think about that word. It doesn't say it makes the moment better or sweetens it. It says it covers it, almost like a shield or a warm blanket, giving you a buffer against all that pressure. It's a brilliant choice of words. And what you're seeing here is the power of relatability in action. Because the ad picked such a common, deeply felt stressor, parental pressure, the solution they offer feels so much more powerful, so much more necessary. When you connect with a problem on a personal level, you're way more likely to crave the solution. All right, so we've had the problem, and we've had the intervention. Now comes the final and maybe the most important piece of the puzzle, the brand's ultimate promise to you, the consumer. And this is the core message, the big takeaway. It's not a sweet treat for your day. It's the sweet in your day. That one little word changes everything. The slogan completely reframes the product. It's not just a chocolate bar anymore. It's positioned as the one guaranteed source of sweetness, the single moment of relief in an otherwise tough day. What we've just watched is a perfect textbook example of something called emotional branding. The whole ad is built not around how the chocolate tastes or what's in it, but around its ability to solve an emotional need. It creates this direct link between the brand and our own desires for comfort and escape. So, why is this ad so effective? It's not magic. It's actually a very carefully built story that you can boil down to a simple and, frankly, genius three-part formula. Let's just walk through it one last time. Step 1, it creates a relatable problem. Check. The stress of bad grades. Step 2, it positions the product as the emotional solution. Check. The chocolate that covers the tough moment. And step 3, it delivers a memorable promise. Check. Cadbury is the sweet in your day. Problem, solution, promise. It's a classic storytelling arc, and it is incredibly powerful. And this right here makes it crystal clear. On the surface, what is it selling? A chocolate-covered biscuit? Fine. But what is it really selling? A moment of relief. It's not just a snack. It's an escape from pressure. And it's not just a sweet treat. It's a tiny bit of control in a situation where you feel like you have none. The chocolate is just the vehicle for the feeling. So here's the takeaway. Now that you see this three-step formula, problem, solution, promise, start looking for it. I guarantee you're going to see it everywhere. In ads for cars, for sodas, for insurance, they aren't just selling you things. They're selling you feelings. The only question left is, which ones are you buying?